The cattle are prowling, the coyotes are howling, way out where the doggies bawl. Where spurs are a-jingling, the cowboy is singing this lonesome cattle call. And the chorus, woo-hoo, woo-tee-dee, woo-hoo, woo-tee-dee, woo-hoo, woo-tee-dee, yodel-ay-tee-dee. He rides in the sun till his day's work is done, as he rounds up the cattle each fall. Woo-hoo, woo-tee-dee, singing his cattle call. Woo-hoo, woo-tee-dee, woo-hoo, woo-tee-dee, woo-hoo, woo-tee-dee, yodel-ay-tee-dee. For hours he would ride on the range far and wide, when the night wind blows up a squall. His heart is a feather in all kinds of weather, and he sings his cattle call. Woo-hoo, woo-tee-dee, woo-hoo, woo-tee-dee, woo-hoo, woo-tee-dee, yodel-ay-tee-dee. He's brown as a berry from riding the prairie, and he sings with an old western drawl. Woo-hoo, woo-tee-dee, singing his cattle call. Woo-hoo, woo-tee-dee, woo-hoo, woo-tee-dee, woo-hoo, woo-tee-dee, yodel-ay-tee-dee. He's brown as a berry from riding the prairie, and he sings with an old western drawl. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo-tee-dee, singing his cattle